Hello, friends. Back with another poem. It's from my book, The Show Must Go On. And the title of this one is when I chose this poem, I said to myself, "What am I reading? I mean, it's going to tell people that what's he thinking about? Where is he going?" But then I said I will tell you that this is a recording that has been done for me by my young friend Mehran Shah, and therefore, the title is "When It's Time to Say Goodbye." Well, it's time to say goodbye to this evening of recording. Uh, Not what you might think when if you simply heard "When It's Time to Say Goodbye." Anyway, when it's time to say goodbye. To memories we cling, as they do often bring the tears and joys of yesteryears. And 'cause it's never easy to be truly breezy when it's time to say goodbye.